to take highlights of the morning news. Good to see you, Dennis.
Good to see you too, Victor. Good morning, and good morning, Claire. Good morning, Nigeria. In view of the emerging security situation, President Bola Tinubu has declared a nationwide security emergency and ordered additional recruitments into the armed forces. By this declaration, the police and armed forces are authorized to recruit more personnel. The police will recruit an additional 20,000 officers, bringing the total to 50,000. The president said that he previously approved the nationwide upgrade of police training facilities. The police authorities are also authorized to use various National Youth Service Corps camps as training depots. The officers being withdrawn from VIP guard duties should undergo crash training to debrief them and deliver more efficient police services when deployed to security-challenged areas of the country. The DSS also has the authority to immediately deploy all the forest guards already trained to flush out terrorists and bandits lurking in the forests. The agency also has its directive to recruit more men to man the forests, as there will be no more hiding places for agents of evil. He commended the security agencies for working together to secure the release of the 24 schoolgirls in Kebbi and the 38 worshippers in Kwara State. And it was a moment of relief and overwhelming emotion in Birnin Kebbi as Governor Nasir Idris formally reunited the rescued Maga schoolgirls with their families. The atmosphere was filled with tears, smiles and prayers of gratitude, bringing closure to days of anxiety and fear following their abduction.
Not to prevent their daughters from returning to school, please allow them to continue their education, as the government is introducing new initiatives to ensure their safety and support.
Meanwhile, the Senate has adopted the death penalty for offences bordering on kidnapping and other terrorism-related crimes with no option of fine. It therefore resolved that the Terrorism Act be amended immediately and that judges should henceforth not be discretionary in handing down the sentence. These form part of resolutions of the Senate after about 5 hours of debates on the state of security in Nigeria.
It's an attack on all religions. It's an attack on all citizens of the country. It's an attack on the democracy of our country. It's an attack on Nigerian citizens. It's an attack on Nigerian government. So we must rise up to the occasion.
And lawmakers in the House of Representatives are urging the federal government to get tough on terrorism and violent extremism. At the resumption of the debate on insecurity in the House, members demanded a decisive action to tackle the hydra-headed monster of insecurity that is rearing its ugly head across the country.
Other criminals, armed robbers, gangs were found in the list of Nigerian army and police. There has to be a thorough way of ensuring that when we are recruiting, those of us that are politicians are should recommend people of good character and integrity.
Now, the federal government has reaffirmed its commitment to supporting initiatives that align with the national health agenda and expand access to modern medical technologies. Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare Professor Mohammed Ali Pate made the pledge during the inauguration of the Tumai robotic surgery platform established by the NISA Medical Group in partnership with RoboMed Global. Describing the developments as a giant leap for the country's healthcare system, he said the new platform places Nigeria at the forefront of technology-driven surgical care in Africa.
Bringing the platform for robotic surgery in Nigeria, in our sub-region in this continent, is a giant step. And in line with the President's own vision for transformation of our health sector, I think we're getting there. We're making progress.
And those are the news highlights at this time. Good Morning Nigeria continues with Victor and Claire after these messages. Stay tuned.